How to log out of Viber. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily log out of your Viber account. So first thing, simply head over to your Viber application and make sure you are logged into your account. And once you're inside here, just click on this more button over here at the bottom right corner and just click on settings. So once you click on settings, just tap on this general section, and before you come here, what I want you to do is, if you really want to log out of your Viber account, you must make sure of your backup of your files. So if you relog in your Viber account on whether on this device or another device, you must make sure that your files are up to date or are saved as a backup. So just click on account section, and once you're inside here, just click on this Viber backup and make sure you have enabled these options. And you can just click on this backup now, or you can also click on this auto backup and of your choice, like daily or weekly or monthly, so you can do it accordingly. And once you do all of that, just click on this backup now button over here and it will automatically back up all of your files, chat history, and then only come to this general section and just click on this exit button over here and just click on OK. And just like that, you'll have successfully logged out of your Viber. So another way you can also log out of your Viber is just head over to your settings, and once you're inside settings, just find the applications options, and from over here just locate your Viber. So let me just locate the Viber. So once you locate a Viber, just tap on it, and what you have to do is just scroll down until you see this storage option and just click on this clear cache and clear data, which will automatically delete all of your logged in credentials, and you will have to relog into your Viber, and then just like that, you will have successfully logged out of your Viber. So thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.